Hi, I'm Colton Huffman. I'm a service technician here at Naples Acura, and welcome back to another Tech Tuesday. Today I'm going to be explaining the difference between a new cabin filter and an old cabin filter and why it's so important to replace the cabin filter in your vehicle. So this cabin filter has about 15 to 20,000 miles. Once it gets to this condition, that's where we like to start replacing them. The cabin filters in your car work very similarly to how the AC filter works in your house. All the air being circulated that blows through the vents ends up going through this. So I mean, out of the two, which would you rather your air be going through? We're definitely going to be going with this one. This picks up any bacteria or any kind of dirt residue that's going through your air, and over time it builds up and it's looking like this. So any stuff that is in this is going to be ended up going through your vents. So that's why we like to replace them as soon as they start getting black like this, so that way you're cleaning nice, fresh, clean air.